I now have a new YouTube channel. Woo! Woo! Come on, students. Let us get 1,000 subscribers tonight. It's called PDTV News Jamaica. Click on the link that is underneath this Facebook channel. The 400 and other one were there. Subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Come on. You know why me come on Christmas Day for you. Me want 20,000 strong for come on Christmas Day for you for doing a YouTube. Come on. Yes, my YouTube channel powered in Jamaica. Me no need no US account for do. So all when them did advise me a false advertisement, them that tell me say me need US account for have YouTube channel because them did have them plan. Me go say this to you. You see all who say them done with me. Me did done with no for a long time, you know. But when me have me 10,000 strong, me no want no come call my phone about for feature on a platform and feature this and feature that. Me don't register all who did there with me and who run way, you know. Me don't have my notebook, you know. Me don't have my notebook put on. See, they subscribe to the YouTube channel. All when me say me never want to do it, you know. The good God say, Andre, register your YouTube channel now. I mean, go according to the time where God say me for register my YouTube channel. How much they pan it now? 466. Alright, you know, hurry up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Everybody I make money over YouTube. Me I go back over there go make it rightfully. Me did I make it rightfully. It's just that it wasn't given to me. Hey, them wicked and thief, you know, but me I left them to time and God. Me I left them to time and God. Come make me reach 500 so me can start the class. Make it reach 700. We're going to show them say God is good over here. We're going to show them say we can't do it without them help. We're going to show them say Andre Stefan, there can be only one talent. I'm so solid as a rock. They just can't stop me now. Even when them set up roadblocks, them just can't stop we now. Enough roadblock them set up for you no teacher, you know. But teacher today got as me get one of the many things them we did need. So me get the mixer there. One of my students them buy the mixer for me. So me can start bake the cake them. The chef them come today and put in them fruits and them prunes and them something. See there? See the pack them there. Pack them and do them thing. See the chef will say everything and come on together. So this are the table where me I tell them say I need to buy. Need to get 3 more of them table here. Need to get 3 more of them table here. So if anybody wants to support me and give me one of the table them, reach out to Auntie Claudette. PDTV News Jamaica. Now take my time and bill out.
Big up yourself! Big up yourself!
Ubex, me don't know Ubex, and now them are go mad, and now them are go obsessed. Murder! Murder! Murder!
I'm seeing the spirit of Christmas in you.
Yes, so you see one Indian man from PDTV. Well, this is one I want black shiny boy. Me a black shiny. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, Ophelia. Bless you.
Bless you.
Woo! 1,000 subscribers! Woo! 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 Can't hold me again. Can't 1,000 strong. 1,000 strong. 1,000 strong. Woo! 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 1,000 strong can never be wrong. If Noel Cunningham, you can advertise my YouTube channel on your page, please, and thank you. My new YouTube channel as a avid subscriber and viewer to this channel. I'm just asking, you can share my YouTube channel on your page, please, and thank you. Play Little David. Play the David. Play Little David. I'm going to show some YouTubers say Andre Stevens. Me for set a rat trap. Me set enough rat trap in my life, you know, brother Noel, Chef Noel. The YouTube channel soon set up back and it's soon nice and dandy and you can watch it every night again. January 2024, I commit to being an awesome human being, doing awesome things with my channel and awesome things for people. Alright? God bless you all and thank you for subscribing. And me want everybody who watch this live tonight. And may I ask all of the bloggers them who use my content to promote my channel for me, please and thank you. Me would appreciate all of the bloggers them who use my content from Facebook and put it on YouTube. Please to put up my content. Please to make people know say I have my YouTube channel. And please advertise my YouTube channel for me. God bless you. See you tomorrow night.